Good morning, Year 4. For today's maths, we're going to carry on with finding the area of shapes, which is something we've been working on quite a bit now. And we've been doing that by counting the squares to help us. But for today's maths, you can see that they haven't given us the squares. So what we're going to do today is we're going to cut out these shapes, and then you need also your counting grid, and you're going to use this to help you find the area of the shapes. So you're going to need to cut this out. So I've already cut out A. You're going to need to do this with all your shapes. And then you're going to place it on your counting grid. Now you're going to line it up really carefully to help you. So I'm going to put A here. Try not to do it in the middle because then you might not put your other shapes on. So if you can see that really clearly and then see the size of that shape, that's fine. But I think I need to just draw, and I'm going to do mine in pen just so you can see it nice and clearly. But you're going to do yours in pencil, I'm sure, with a ruler, so I get the size of this shape right. And I can see it's a rectangle, so I know that the opposite sides are going to be the same length. We've been looking at that lots this week, haven't we? Okay, then I need to do 2 for the width here, and then it's 3 across, so I can take my shape off now. Okay, now I can find the area, and I can find that by counting these squares. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the area of A, and I would write this next to it, or inside it, I could put A equals 2, 4, 6, 8, 8. And then what were they? Let's measure them. Oh, they're about 2 centimetres. So 8 centimetre squared. So we've got 8 centimetres squared. So that's what you need to do today. You need to cut out your shapes and place them on here. You don't have to draw around them if you don't want to. So think about this one where it looks like a diamond. If you was to twist that round, it then will actually look more like a square, and you can rotate them to help you count the squares. So that's your maths task for today. If you need any more support with that, please send us an email or contact us on Teams.